Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello. I didn't know it's meow.
Ow, this hurt my hand.
It's my hand. Here's you too.
Ow.
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 She told you.
Ow. Christian. I feel like I have a red eye for some reason. In this one, but I don't.
I tickle you.
I'm not ticklish, you're just hurting me. Ow.
Ow.
No. Ow. Don't shoot. Do not hurt me.
She goes. A tickle. A tickle.
We're going in the dark. It's 3 a.m. I'm gonna turn the lights on. And my brother is here with me. Oh my freaking god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I'm scared. Ow. What the hell? Wait, why is it all pink? I had to knock. Christian, get under the covers. What was that, guys? Legit. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Okay, I'm so legit scared now. I'm legit scared, guys. What's that noise? Never mind, it's just my brother. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm getting under the cover. And I'm putting my feet up. Oh my god. This is so freaky, man. I'm putting my feet up.
I'm coming.
Oh my god.
Hello. Thank you.
Oh my god. Christian.